Hello, this is Vicki LaRoe with Modern Jewelry Creators. Thank you for selecting this video. This is just going to be another one of our kind of quick color palette videos where I am just going through the different color stories that are available on a new design we are launching today. Folks seem to like to be able to check out these videos before making their color selection, and so I'm happy to do them. We have a new jewelry design and kit launching today, this beautiful little Crystal Coins Bracelet. And you won't see me during this video, probably just my hands here and there, especially not today because I have rollers in my hair. But like I said, people seem to like to go through these videos and check them out. It gives them more details about the jewelry design and more information about the different color options. So I'm happy to do them. And again, this is our little Crystal Coins bracelet. She's just darling. You can check out our website to see maybe close-up pictures on her, but she's really beautiful. I've used our little satin coins and decorated her with a bunch of little sparkly crystals and spacers, and then done a little lovely satin toggle with the dangles, and I just think she's gorgeous. It's all knotted on a heavy silk, so you get that beautiful knot impact between each of the coins that also really is maybe the true color story, and then the crystals are more of an accent to it, right? And so I just think it's beautiful. Actually, it would make a really cute like short necklace too, like around 16, 18 inches. So that would just be darling. The kit's $28. I'll also leave a discount code below to save you 10% and get free shipping, and that is it. So we'll go through the color palettes. On a few of these videos we've done before, I've had like up to 10 or 12 different color stories. That can tend to be a little overwhelming for folks, so I've narrowed it down to four of the best color stories for her, and each one is available in the satin silver or the brushed gold. So technically there's 8 really color selections available for you. So let's just go through them here, and I'll bring them in front of the camera a little bit. So this is our rose pink. That's pretty much the sample that I have on. And so I'm going to show the silk color and then the accent crystals. And then again, I have made the sample on the satin silver, but this color would be stunning on the gold. I think it's really beautiful. So any of these color stories I think will be gorgeous in the silver or the gold color story. Let's do our blue. This is our Blue Waters, is this color story, which has a lot of different shades of blue and a lovely light blue silk. So I think this will be a really, really beautiful palette. Again, gorgeous in either the silver or the gold. Really lovely. And I'm gonna reach all the way over to this is our Dove Gray. So if you were looking for something a little more neutral, maybe it didn't have such a exact color perhaps. So this is maybe similar to some of the pink, but it has more blacks and deeper plums and grays, and again, beautiful with the silver or the gold. Really lovely, lovely color story there. And lastly is our Lilac Midnight, and she has a lot of deep amethyst tones and other lighter lavender colors and some deep blues and blacks, and just a gorgeous, gorgeous palette, again in either the silver or the gold. So those are your color choices for this kit. And like I said, I'll link everything below. There are limited amounts of each color, and so if this is something you'd like to order, our kits always include all the complete instructions. To make it, you would need to know knotting is kind of the main technique we've used here, and I have other how to knot videos if you need a knotting refresher on the channel as well. And I I think that's about everything. And so, like I said, I'll leave the links below and discount codes. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Normally every week you see me, and I'll share new designs, findings, techniques, ideas, etc. And each week we share a new design with new kits. And sometimes there are multiple color options like this one, quite often. And that's when I'll do these color palettes, because it helps people make decisions, or at least even gives you just ideas and inspiration, for your own projects at home. So please like the video if you liked it. And again, subscribe if you have not. And I will see you back here next time. And until then, sparkle brightly like the star that you are. Peace.